7 biggest lessons I've learned in the corporate world. Number 1, learn to dress properly. Remember, the way you dress is how you will be addressed. 2, don't trust the management and HR. Everybody is covering their ass and using you to cut the budget. Working hard is not going to earn you bonus or promotion. Don't be too hard to yourself. Acquiring more skills on the job is what makes you more valuable. Don't be a workaholic that works too hard and even skips breaks. And a lot of employees work hard to impress, which is overrated. Work smart to impress, and that's underrated. 5, don't beg for promotions and recognitions. These should come automatically or else change the employer. 6, avoid office gossip. Gossip spread faster than a virus, and that destroys your reputation. Always know the difference between office life and private life. Don't mix the two up. Never do that.